welcome to my channel. We are baking soft, gooey cookies. Cookies because outside is miserable and rainy. Turn the oven on to 180°C. Next, we get the ingredients, and this is how we make cookies. 125 butter. 100 grams of soft brown sugar. This one. We have 125 caster sugar. Clean the butter and sugar together. We need 1 egg, we need 1 spoon of vanilla. It's pooping, it's pooping, it's pooping, it's pooping, it's pooping. Okay. Now we give it a mix. Next we need 2 to 5 raisin flour. Next we put in 200 grams of chocolate chips. Then we mix it together. Next, we mix it together and put it in balls. Now make a ball. I got a big one. Look, rolling ball. Or you can make it into any shape you want. Burrito. Squash. This is the circle cookie and it's flat just right here. Castle, ball, sausage. I'm gonna make some more. Ghostbusters. Where you gonna come? Ghostbusters. Ghostbusters. Where you gonna come? Ghostbusters. When you made the balls, put them in the oven for 8 minutes. These are my cookies. They look amazing. Very good, gooey. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Everyone, dig in!